Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Chromebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Google Assistant on your Chromebook. So Google Assistant is a voice assistant from Google that is compatible with your Chromebook and can give you features such as using voice to control your Chromebook or just having pop-ups that are related to your Google account or to your local area. Enabling or disabling Google Assistant in the Chromebook settings is easy and takes less than a minute. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is go down to the bottom right and select the clock to open the menu. Once the menu opens, go up and select the gear to open the settings for your Chromebook. Once the settings open up, go into the left sidebar and select Search and Assistant. And if Google Assistant is currently disabled on your Chromebook, you will see it under Search and Assistant right here, and you'll see Google Assistant disabled. Go ahead and select that. To turn on Google Assistant, all we need to do is toggle this little switch. And then as you can see in here, we have several options. So if you're watching this video to disable or turn off Google Assistant, all you would need to do is go in here and make sure that this is toggled off until it looks like that. And then you're done and you have disabled Google Assistant. But you can also have the option to limit its features or customize it in the settings below. So the related info right here will allow Google Assistant to look at your screen and show you information that is related to what's on your screen. You can either turn that on or off here. And then you also have the ability to have Google Assistant constantly listening to your microphone and waiting for OK Google so that you can command it through your voice alone. Now you can turn that on or off right here. If you turn it on, it will need to learn your voice, so you will have to go through some training with it, which is very easy and self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go through that. You can also turn off all notifications from Google Assistant. So if you want to keep it on and not receive any notifications, you can turn it off right here. But I'm going to go ahead and just keep it off for now. All right, so that's how you turn on or off Google Assistant on your Chromebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Chromebook tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.